In this video, you'll learn how to join the Perplexity AI Discord server. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to connect with the community on Discord. Begin by launching the Discord application on your device. If you do not have it installed, make sure to download and install it from the official website or App Store. Once opened, you will be greeted by the main Discord interface. Next, locate the server panel on the left side of the screen. Here, you will see a list of any servers you're currently a member of. At the bottom of this panel, find the button labeled with a plus sign, which is the Add a Server button. Click on this button to proceed. After clicking the plus sign, a small menu will appear with two options. Select the option that says Join a Server. This will open a new dialog box where you can enter an invite link to join a server. In the invite field, you will need to paste the Perplexity invite link. The link you need is discord.gg/perplexity-a. Ensure that you enter this link correctly or use their latest official invite if it has changed. Once you have pasted the link, double check for any errors. After verifying the invite link, click on the button labeled Join Server. This action will prompt Discord to connect you to the Perplexity AI server. If the link is valid, you will be welcomed into the server and you can start participating in discussions and activities. If you encounter any issues with joining, verify your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Additionally, check if your Discord account is in good standing, as restrictions could affect your ability to join new servers. Once you're in, explore the channels available to engage with the community. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.